Hello, my gorgeous crocheters. I guess it's a word. I am Babushka Elena, and I welcome you. This video is the first part of I don't know how many parts will be there until I'm happy, I guess, with the look of it. But this is only the beginning. In this video, I will start working on this border. Previously, we worked on the increase right here, and when I was happy with the size of it, I started on this pretty border. So this video will be not too long, just for this border. Here is the big triangle for the shawl. I'm happy with the way it turned out. This is the top, this will be the top, and for now I will not be touching it. I will concentrate on the side, working on side borders that later will be decorated with a different color yarn. This is the design that I was working with. Look, every time there were 3 chains, 3 chain increases, which means right here there should be 3 singles every time. So in each of them there need to be 3 singles. However, because right here we have an angle, there needs to be 1 extra single for this. So let's start with the extra single for the increase because it's an angle. And now we do 3, 2, 3. Go to the next one. 1, 2, 3. Here, first 2 are done. Next one. 1, 2, 3. And the next one. And just keep going all the way around. And I will be back once I finish this row. I have just finished one side, the one that I started right here at the top. I made it all the way down to the bottom. This is the bottom corner of the shawl. What will happen here, I'm going to make 3 chains and make this corner nice little corner, and back to my singles. Just do the same thing that I was doing here. Go back all the way to the top, and I will see you back shortly. I'm at the end of the first row of this decorative border. Let's look at it. The top I'm not touching for a while. Right now I'm just working on 2 sides. Let's finish it properly. Following the pattern, I need 3 single stitches. 1, 2, 3. However, because this is an angle, I need to increase it, so 1 more for the increase. Here you go. This is going to be a really nice angle. It is time to add a new color, different yarn. With the work make one chain. Let's pull it nicely tight. One single for the increase. Yeah. And that's it. Follow all the way around. It is that easy. Perfect. When I get to the bottom, to that corner, I will be back to show what to do with that corner. This border is shaping really nicely. It's just 2 rows of single crochet stitches, different colors, but looks really good. Now this is the corner, the bottom corner of the shawl. Remember we did those 3 stitches here, 3 chains. Now let's shape it a little bit more. 1 single chain, 1 single, cutting is separating, and another single. That's the corner. And now just go back 2 whole single stitches all the way to the end of this row, but not on the top. Yeah. Once the row is finished, here we are at the end. Turn it around, 1 chain, 1 single increase. Now we're going with the pattern. This is 1 single, 2 chains, and let's skip to 1, 2, and the third one, it's a single crochet. Again, 2 chains, 1, 2, third one, single crochet, chain, chain, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, chain, chain, 1, 2, in the third one it's a single crochet. And now look, our design is going to repeat, you see, on this side. And I'm at the end of the row. This is the place where I added the new color, went all the way there and back. What I'm doing now is this increase. 2 chains, another single, I'll flip it over, of course, single, and now these little hugs, here they are. In each arc I add 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3. Next arc, 1, 2, 3, and next arc. Look how well it's shaping. Yeah. So keep going all the way around, not all the way around, leave the top for now. And then you'll see Elena. And finally we arrived to the end of the first part, where it seems like we didn't do much, only these 4 rows. Well, but these 4 simple rows, very easy beginning step, you can see. Look how nicely it's shaping. I will build much more on top of it. That will be a bigger border. So this is only the beginning. There will be a few more videos. You're welcome to download the chart from the link in the description. Please do. And I wish you all a wonderful, wonderful summer. Bye, gorgeous.